the testing is not the railway is doing it, and it is the state who is doing it, we will request our DRM that they should ensure they will talk to the concerned state authorities and make sure that the testing is initiated.
So like you want to, आप ये बोलना चाहते कि जितने भी आप लोग रेलवे के टीम रहेंगे स्टेशन जंक्शन में इंक्लूडिंग द स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट्स,
तो उनको जहां नहीं हो रही है, अगर आपने जैसे बताया तो आई विल टेल अवर DRM that he should talk to the state authorities. Our media friends, both print and electronic, that please convey, बिल्कुल आप अपने तरीके से लोगों को समझाएं, लोगों को बताएं कि किसी प्रकार का कोई पैनिक नहीं है, किसी को परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है। और मेरी आप लोगों से एक और छोटी सी हेल्प ये भी है, जब भी कहीं आपको ऐसा लगे कि किसी प्रकार की कोई र्यूमर या कुछ है, हम सबको एक जिम्मेदारी से रहना है, क्योंकि हमारा पैसेंजर हमारे शहर से आता है, गांव से आता है। तो अगर कोई भी पैनिक, किसी प्रकार का पैनिक अगर कहीं आपको, क्योंकि आप लोग तो पूरे शहर में, आप लोग पूरे दूर दराज तक रहते हैं, बहुत नजदीक, तो आप मुझे, हम लोगों को जरूर कन्वे करें कि सर इस तरह की कोई बात है। आई होप मेरा नंबर है, CPRO का भी नंबर है आप सभी लोगों के पास में, तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे और हमारे स्टेशन पे किसी तरह का पैनिक ना हो, उसमें आप भी अगर हमारा सहयोग करेंगे, हमारी मदद कर पाएंगे, तो हम लोग अपनी जनता को, अपने पैसेंजर्स को, अपने कस्टमर्स को ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से हैंडल करें। Let me tell you that few facts by which we can say there is nothing like that. We have our chief commercial officer who will just tell there's no bulk cancellation happening. Number one, I don't think we have got any bulk cancellation. If had there been any panic, there will be always, people will go तुरंत टिकट कैंसिल कराओ और नहीं जाना है, या sudden inward traffic happening. So nothing of that sort is happening right now.
So no cancellation as of now.
No.
So can you just clear this point to our audience that as of now no plans or no any signals of cancellation?
I want to confirm that in North Frontier Railway, and especially from all the bigger stations from where the passenger reservation services are available, there is no panic in terms of cancelling their tickets, outward tickets from this from our state.
And how safer it will be for people to travel?
We are running around 80 odd trains. About 52, 53 trains are moving across the country, and about 27 odd trains are within the state we are running. And I'm sure that you people are more aware that we don't find anything like, we are trying to keep the protocol distancing and ensuring that the masks are being worn by the people, as masks being one of the most important protection which in this COVID time is considered to be. So we are ensuring, we are even putting fines over the, some fines have been also imposed. So from the railway side, whatever best we have to do in order to ensure that the protocol is being maintained, that we are doing. अगर केंद्रीय विद्यालय है, रेलवे के प्रांगण में है, रेलवे की जमीन पे, तो केंद्रीय विद्यालय के निर्णय जो भी कुछ होंगे वो केंद्रीय विद्यालय का जो बोर्ड है या जो उनकी अथॉरिटीज है उन्हीं को लेना है। स्कूल से मतलब स्कूल हमारा, क्योंकि हम तो पैसेंजर को और फ्रेट को धोते हैं, तो अगर पैसेंजर और फ्रेट से रिलेटेड कोई निर्णय होगा तो हम लोग करेंगे। स्कूल्स के बारे में तो दे विल हैव टू, अथॉरिटीज
बच्चों के लिए बहुत, जैसे
हमारा भी बच्चा पढ़ता है, हम तो नहीं बोल सकते ना कि जो है वो, so we will have to depend on it. So जब वो जो अथॉरिटीज, जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ HR मिनिस्ट्री जो या जो कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जो डिसीजंस लेंगे उसी हिसाब से हम लोग, तो हमें तो अपने बच्चों को, हमारे बच्चे आपके बच्चे सब एक ही हैं, स्कूल्स हैव टू बी फॉलो दोज रूल्स ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट or state government, depending on the school, type of school. See, we are not having our own thing. So it is whenever and whatever testing was done even before, it is basically the state governments. We have opened everything. The state has to implement that protocol. We are helping in all ways. In whatever way they require our assistance, we will give. So if it is not happening, we'll see that, ensure that it is.
Provided government of Assam says कि outward के लिए भी करना है.
Exactly.
The protocol is there, only incoming passengers are
That
to be
is the
tested.
state government and Ministry of Health
Yes.
protocol.
That protocol is decided by state government.
Actually, it's the state government protocol. So we, as I told you, we are
So, like
providing
you
all.
said, all who are coming in, incoming passengers are being done. Those are going outside, that's going to be done.
See, it is, as I told you, that see, it is the state government's protocol. So we can only provide all the assistance, whatever is required to be provided for ensuring whatever they want. See, we have no objection to anything. We only providing all support what is required. So if they want to do incoming people who are leaving Guwahati or Kamakya, they want to test, we have no problem. We provide all assistance.
Okay. So as of now, in Guwahati station and Kamakya station, how is it? What is actually going on regarding COVID-19?
I think it's the people who are getting down and coming inside Assam. Those people are being generally tested. There are two things which I tell you sometimes happens is that see those people who are giving assurance that the railway people to get the RT-PCR done within the particular time.
Yeah.
So that is, if they are not tested there, but they are ensuring, they are talking to all the passengers, they are taking the mobile numbers, etc., and making sure that the testing has been done. So that's a very good system. I mean, the state is following it. That those people who are saying that we'll get it done, they are also ensuring that they by properly talking, they are getting tested, and they are doing it. There are a lot of officers who have come. They have got the incoming people also got tested. Affection and closeness we have with the media. There's in the WhatsApp there's एक वीडियो चल रहा है, वायरल हो रहा है, जिसमें कि बॉम्बे की कोई सिचुएशन दिखाई जा रही है, जिसमें कि बहुत सारे पैसेंजर्स सडनली जो है they all have got collected, thousands of people on one platform waiting for train, and so we would like to just tell you that so far as Northeast Frontier, our railways, NF Railway is concerned, we want to assure you and tell you clearly that there is no such panic as such there, and even the authenticity of that video is also in question, whether it's this year or that year. But the fact is that yes, the fact remains कि जो कोविड केसेस हैं वो बढ़ रहे हैं, और जिस पेस से बढ़ रहे हैं, जाहिर है कि हम सभी लोगों को, all of us have to be very very alert, very very cautious, and follow all the protocols. So this is what in brief I would like to the very purpose of we all getting together. जो लोकल पैसेंजर्स हमारे हैं, जो हमारे यात्रीगण हैं, हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं, उनके लिए हम लोग सबसे ज्यादा जो जरूरी है कि हम लोग मास्क वगैरह का जो है इंश्योर कराना कि मास्क पहने, एंड दूसरी चीजें ये हैं कि जो अभी ट्रेनें चल रही हैं, उसके अलावा अभी हम लोगों ने, जैसा कि आप सभी लोगों को पता होगा कि हम लोग 10 अप्रैल के बाद से ट्रेनों में अपनी नंबर ऑफ ट्रेन्स वर सपोज टू बी गेटिंग इंक्रीज्ड, बढ़ने वाली थी, लेकिन अब जो पिछले 52 दिनों में 52-53 डेज में जो इंक्रीज है फ्रॉम द लेवल ऑफ 10,000 केसेस इन द कंट्री, नाउ वी आर अराउंड 1,30,000. तो दिस चेंज हैज, इतना फास्ट चेंज हुआ है, जो हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि इंडियन रेलवे जो आज की डेट में आज भी अभी प्लानिंग यही है कि हम लोग करीब 90% ऑफ द टोटल ट्रेन ऑफ द इंडियन रेलवे हम रन करेंगे, और हमारे भी प्रपोजल्स जो हैं काफी ट्रेनों को जो है बढ़ाने के हैं. लेकिन अब क्योंकि अभी एज ऑन डेट तो इस तरह का कोई डिसीजन रेलवेज का नहीं है कि हम वो जो बढ़ोतरी करने वाले थे, द इंक्रीज विच वी वांटेड टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू गो बैक ऑन दिस. वी आर स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रेलवेज टू गिव अ डिसीजन ऑन दिस. So once and if at all anything is done, maybe from our side, looking at the increase in the COVID cases, we would certainly recommend from our side that instead of going to 90% suddenly, we can go in phases.
So I have one more.
Sanitizers is compulsory. Keep the social distancing. So we are not allowing unreserved passengers to travel in the train. And while deboarding and boarding, we are all ensuring that the protocol of social distancing is done. The RT-PCR, the test, the COVID test, within 72 hours, the state government are testing the people, and on our stations they have the access for that, and the testing is done. And those who are found positive, they are being quarantined as per the state protocol. So all the protocol related to COVID-19 are being very meticulously being followed, and for the protection of our passengers. Anything?
Thank you. Now I would request our friends from
Any confusion in the mind of public, and the responsibility of the media to clearly communicate the factual position that there is no kind of panic, and the public should not get suddenly into trouble and lead to some kind of किसी तरह की लोगों को परेशानी हो, वो हम नहीं चाहते हैं. वो आप लोगों के माध्यम से चाहेंगे कि आप लोग जो है उसकी जो पोजीशन है जो हम लोग आपको बयां कर रहे हैं उस पर प्लीज गो विद दैट, एंड वी अश्योर यू ऑल दैट वी विल पुट आवर all round effort to see that no such kind of panic is there.